Hello friends, welcome again in my YouTube channel. So, do you know why people want to speak English? Because English is an international language. They want to speak English confidently because English help us to travel other countries, to talk other people. So, if you want to speak English confidently, today I will tell you some interesting way how you can start. So if you are beginner, so you can start from your phone. You have a smartphone mostly. So you can practice some daily use sentences, your daily routine with your kids. You can practice. And if you know word sentences, grammatical rule, but there is one basic problems does not come in your head. So there is solution I am going to tell you. Okay, so remember why word does not come in your head, because lack of practice. Yes, it's a true, because you have knowledge, you have lot of knowledge of grammatical rule, you have word vocabulary lists of vocabulary, you have sentences, but still you feel demotivated. So why? Because you train your mind, not your mouth. If you wanna speak English confidently, first you have to practice every day. It help it helps to you, because when you are going to start speaking practice, whenever you are free, start speaking with anyone. If you don't have anyone, start in front of camera, start in front of mirror. Mirror technique is very good, it's very powerful, but you know how to how to include in your daily life, because some first time you feel shy, because in front of mirror you know you are, but still if you want to speak, if you want to growth in your life, so start without any fear, without any hesitation. It will help you a lot. Start speaking, start listening practice. In busy schedule, you can start listening practice, podcast, stories, cartoons, kids stories, kids cartoons. You watch and you understand. And the most powerful is that you have to think or write without any without any books, without any phone. Whenever you are going to start studying writing, most of the writing in the night time, so you have to you should have one notebook or one pen, and think from here and write from with your hands. Whatever is scrolling in your mind, you have to jot down in notebook. It's very important for you, because you remember scrolling your thinking power strong, be strong your thinking power, and scrolling your mind. So please do this technique, and you will become good speaker very soon. So thank you so much.